Collagen, the protein holding your body together right now. And after 25, your body starts losing it every single year. 1%, then another, then another. By 40, nearly 30% can already be gone. That loss shows up everywhere. The wrinkles, the sagging skin, the aching joints, the thinning hair, even the exhaustion people blame on getting older. These 12 warning signs reveal collagen loss before most people realize what is happening. And sign number 7? Almost nobody connects it to collagen decline, even though it is one of the strongest red flags. Watch carefully, because the science is clear. If you act early enough, your body can still rebuild. Collagen is not just about beauty. It is structural survival. Nearly 30% of the body's protein is collagen. It forms the framework beneath your skin, supports your joints, strengthens blood vessels, anchors hair follicles, protects the gut lining. Without it, tissue loses strength everywhere. Production peaks early in life, then starts declining steadily after your 20s, and modern life accelerates the collapse. Sugar, stress, poor sleep, UV damage, inflammation, smoking, processed food. Harvard-linked aging research has repeatedly connected collagen decline to the majority of visible aging changes people notice later in life, which means those small changes may not be random at all. If you already recognize 3 or more signs on this list, your body may already be under collagen stress. But the earlier you catch it, the more repair is still possible. 1. Wrinkles multiply. Wrinkles are not just surface lines. They are structural collapse underneath the skin. When collagen fibers weaken, skin loses the tension that keeps it smooth and supported. That is why forehead creases begin staying visible even when your face is relaxed. Crow's feet deepen. Smile lines fold harder. Skin stops bouncing back. Studies published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found wrinkle depth increases significantly as collagen density drops through the 30s. Your skin literally loses its scaffolding. 2. Skin sagging. This is where gravity starts winning. Healthy collagen acts like an internal support system keeping tissue lifted. But when that structure weakens, everything begins shifting downward. Cheeks, jawline, neck, upper arms. The skin starts looking softer, but not in a healthy way. More fragile, less resistant, almost deflated. And once sagging accelerates, people often try to fix it externally while ignoring the structural decline underneath. 3. Dull, dry skin. Collagen helps skin retain enormous amounts of water. When collagen levels fall, hydration escapes faster. That glow people associate with youth? A large part of it is structural hydration. Without collagen, skin begins looking ashy, flaky, thin, or permanently tired. And no moisturizer fully fixes it because the underlying support network is weakened. The problem is deeper than the surface. 4. Nails crack easily. Weak nails are often dismissed as a vitamin issue, but collagen plays a massive role in nail strength. As collagen declines, nails become thinner and more brittle. They split easier, peel constantly, crack from basic pressure. The body usually reveals internal structural weakness in small tissues first, which is why nails often become an early warning system. 5. Hair sheds faster. Your scalp depends on collagen support too. Hair follicles weaken when surrounding tissue loses structural integrity. That means more shedding, less density, thinner strands, slower regrowth. A 2022 collagen peptide trial found participants experienced measurable improvements in hair thickness and strength after consistent supplementation, because healthy follicles need strong support beneath them. 6. Joints start grinding. Collagen is one of the main building blocks of cartilage. Lose enough of it and joints stop moving smoothly. That stiffness in the knees, the lower back tightness, the creaking fingers, those are not always just age. Millions of adults over 50 experience morning joint stiffness directly linked to cartilage deterioration. The cushioning is thinning, and the body feels it every time you move. 6 signs down, and if you are already noticing several of these, your collagen loss may not just be aging. It may be your body struggling to repair itself properly anymore. That is why I started paying closer attention to what actually supports collagen production from the inside out. One of the things I have been using recently is Do Not Age, especially their longevity-focused formulas designed to support cellular repair, energy production, circulation, and healthy aging at a deeper level. Because collagen is not just about skincare. Your body needs energy and proper cellular support to rebuild tissue efficiently in the first place. I'll leave the links below for anyone who wants to check them out. Now, let's get into the warning sign almost nobody sees coming. 7. Gums bleed or recede. This is one of the most ignored collagen warning signs in the body. Your gums are heavily dependent on collagen structure. As that support weakens, tissue begins pulling away from the teeth. That can show up as bleeding while brushing, pain while flossing, sensitivity, or teeth appearing longer over time. Dental meta-analyses have linked collagen decline with significantly increased risk of periodontal disease. And most people never realize their mouth may be revealing what is happening throughout the rest of their body. 8. Cellulite gets worse. Cellulite becomes more visible when collagen weakens, because collagen normally keeps skin tight and structured. As the skin layer thins, underlying fat pushes upward more visibly. That is why cellulite often worsens with age even without major weight gain. The support layer above it became weaker. 9. Wounds heal slower. Small cuts, scratches, bruises, they suddenly take longer to heal. That happens because collagen is essential for tissue rebuilding. When production slows, repair slows too. Your body becomes less efficient at recovering from even small damage. And over time, that delayed healing becomes more noticeable. 10. Muscles weaken. Most people never connect collagen to muscle strength. But collagen supports the connective tissue surrounding muscle fibers. As that structure weakens, recovery slows and strength declines faster. Workouts feel harder. Fatigue hits sooner. Muscles flatten more easily. Even active people can notice this shift happening. 11. Bruising easily. Collagen helps reinforce blood vessel walls. Without enough support, vessels become fragile. That means tiny bumps suddenly leave dark bruises. Purple marks appear from almost nothing. Skin starts looking thinner and more delicate because internally it is. 12. Gut bloat and digestive issues. Your gut lining relies heavily on collagen. When that lining weakens, inflammation increases and nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. That can lead to bloating, fatigue, food sensitivities, digestive discomfort, and low energy. And once nutrient absorption drops, rebuilding collagen becomes even harder. The cycle feeds itself. Now here is the good news. Collagen decline is not completely irreversible. Your body can rebuild collagen, but only if you stop damaging it and start supporting the repair process properly. That means giving your body the raw materials it needs through consistent collagen support, vitamin C, proper sleep, movement, and lower sugar intake. Because collagen is not rebuilt by skincare alone. It is rebuilt internally. Research has shown hydrolyzed collagen peptides can improve skin elasticity, hydration, joint comfort, and recovery within weeks when used consistently. Vitamin C helps activate collagen synthesis, while deep sleep is where tissue repair accelerates most aggressively. At the same time, excess sugar and poor sleep silently destroy collagen faster than your body can replace it. And there is another layer most people overlook: cellular support. Because collagen production requires energy. That is one reason I have been using Do Not Age products recently, especially formulas designed to support cellular repair, circulation, energy production, and healthy aging from the inside out. Because when your body has better repair support, skin, joints, hair, and recovery often begin responding differently too. The key is consistency, not one perfect day. Daily support repeated long enough for the body to rebuild. Collagen loss does not happen all at once. It creeps in quietly until suddenly the signs are everywhere. The wrinkles, the sagging, the thinning hair, the joint pain, the fatigue, the bloating, and the earlier you respond, the more repair your body can still achieve. So tell me honestly, which sign shocked you most? Was it the gums, The gut? The bruising? Comment below. And if you want more science-backed anti-aging breakdowns every week, subscribe and turn on notifications now.